Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to subtract using Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. So as you can see my first project, which is my Honda brakes, Toyota brakes, my automotive brakes Excel spreadsheet. And the first thing we're going to do here is actually, we're going to do an addition to fill our opening stock here. So as our previous lesson, I showed you how to do this. You can do that by coming over here, left click, drag, and then click on the auto sum feature, and it gives you a sum of 17. So now we could highlight this, click, and drag, and it copies that formula. And you can see by either clicking on it and then looking at over here. So now that we have our opening stock here, what we want to do is we want to subtract any of these items in your spreadsheet. For example, if you want to subtract this from this cell, this from this cell, you can do it this way. So we're going to come over here to the closing stock. There's two ways of doing this. We can do it from equals this cell, then click on the minus, and then click the cell that you want and click on enter. Come over here. You could do another formula if you wanted. Equals opening stock minus, click on the minus, this, click on enter. So another way of doing a subtraction is performing an equal sign. So for example, if I wanted to subtract 17 minus the Honda brakes and the Toyota brakes for Monday, what I'm going to do is equals 17, then I'm going to minus open bracket 3 plus the 7, close the bracket, and click on enter. So what we did there is 7. So 17 minus 10. Now, if you want to copy that over, you want to copy the formula again, and just highlight and drag and click on enter. And then you can either highlight the cell and do a function F2 to see what the formula is. So you can see we're doing R11 57 with the addition of 6. So 57 minus 6, which is 51. And you can see that that is correct. And you can kind of either look at it in two ways. You could highlight the cell, come over here, and you could look at the formula in the formula bar up here. And that's it for the video. So that's two ways on how to do subtraction in Microsoft Excel.